Is it possible to control your body? How to quickly relieve pain in the internal organs, joints, and back? How can a clothespin help in this? Today we will tell you about an unusual but very useful technique of influencing the work of the body with the help of an ordinary clothespin. Control points of the body. About acupuncture each of us has heard. Many people think that it is a complicated science of influencing the body with the help of special points. Indeed, acupuncture methods require special knowledge and practical training, as well as a special tool. Not without reason, acupuncture is also called acupuncture, because specialists of this ancient branch of medicine have long understood that the best effect is achieved by stimulating the active points with needles. But luckily, the principle itself of influencing the body by pressing on the active points can be used without knowing the art of acupuncture. People have long noticed that there are many such points all over the body. And one of the control centers, if I may say so, is the auricles. Even in ancient China there were diagrams of the distribution of points of influence on the human body. At the auricle there are about 170 of them. For such a small organ, this is a very large number. The internal organs of the right side of the body correspond to points on the right ear, and the left side to points on the left ear. Crossover interaction is also common, but very rare. That is why a simple self-massage of the ears allows you to affect the entire complex of such points, and improve the condition of the body as a whole. It is a proven method of preventing weakness and fatigue, as well as a way to direct energy to the internal organs, with the help of which to activate their functions, relieve pain and suppress inflammatory processes at the beginning of their development. Technique of action. All acupuncture points on the auricle are concentrated in 6 zones. The upper part of the ear is responsible for the condition of the back, shoulders, and upper extremities. Just below are the points of influence on the internal organs. The impact on them allows you to relieve a slight discomfort in these parts of the body. It should be understood that such massage will not help to solve serious problems with the work of internal organs. In particular, it will not cope with the restoration of function when the liver or kidneys are damaged, as well as curing ischemic heart disease. But for minor ailments, it is a good alternative to taking unsafe pharmaceuticals. A little further down is the joint control zone. It is on a line just above the middle of the ear. Exposure to them allows you to quickly relieve joint pain. Exactly in the middle of the ear are points responsible for the work of the nose and throat. Impact on them allows you to relieve cold symptoms, or rather their respiratory manifestations. This is an effective way to get through colds more easily and not to suffer from an endless runny nose. Between the middle of the ear and the lobe is the center of influence on the organs of the gastrointestinal tract. Massaging this part of the ear allows you to improve digestion, get rid of heartburn and heaviness in the stomach. By acting on the earlobe, you will send energy to the brain and heart, so you can activate their work, get rid of fatigue, and increase stamina. If the pain is localized on one side of the body, but you are not sure which organ is responsible for the problem, massage the entire ear from that side. If your sensations are very vague and you cannot say exactly on the left or on the right side of the body, affect the points of any ear, but only one. You should work on each area for 1 minute. In this way you will have only 6 minutes a day for the whole massage complex. Do it every day, even if nothing bothers you. It will not cause any harm, but it will be useful for the prevention of ailments. Of course, you can massage with your hands, but it is better to use a clothespin. Just place it on the desired area of the ear for 1 minute, then move it to another area and also hold it for a minute. This method is easier and the pressure of the clothespin on the ear is more effective, due to the increased and even pressure of the clothespin on the ear. Have you tried this kind of massage? What do you think of the effects of acupuncture points on health?